This is Lesson 11 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. This lesson is about the 555 Timer IC. IC stands for Integrated Circuit. An integrated circuit, like the 555 Timer IC, has many miniature electronic parts inside of it. To connect to the circuit on the inside of the 555 Timer IC, there are 8 small pins on it. A picture of a 555 Timer IC is shown at the lower right-hand side of the page. You can see some of the pins coming out of the IC. Pin 1 is in the lower left side of the picture. The pins are counted counterclockwise. So, starting with pin 1, the pin to the right of it is pin 2, and so forth. In the picture, we can see pins 1, 2, 3, 4, and pin 8, but we cannot see pins 5, 6, and 7. On page 11, you see the Mr. Circuit robot waiting in front of a sound stage because the red light is blinking. This is one of the things we can do with a 555 Timer IC. We can use it to make lights blink, and it can also be used to generate sound waves. What are some of the things that the 555 timer can do? At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, a 555 Timer IC can be used to generate many different pulses. At the bottom left of the page, you will see the schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent an integrated circuit. This rectangular symbol is for a 555 Timer IC and shows 8 pins on it and is labeled 555. Please copy the symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things you were taught in this lesson. 1. What a 555 Timer IC can do. 2. What the schematic symbol is for a 555 Timer IC. And 3. How to spell and pronounce 555 Timer IC. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 11. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.